Jason, you've been my calm, my constant, my comfort, and my home, and I've been your chaos.
To my soon-to-be wife, today I'm making a commitment to spend the rest of my life with the love of my life. I'm choosing to accept all of you. I'm choosing to deal with all the attitudes, the mood swings, the crying, and the complaining. I'm choosing to accept all the bad because all the good that comes with you makes it worth it.
I've never met someone with such a humble and genuine heart. You're the man I've always pictured myself to have children with. Before I met you, I was a girl struggling, trying to figure out her purpose. Not only was I lost and confused, but thinking I was unworthy to find someone like you. Little did I know God had bigger plans for me.
Let me share some wisdom with you guys today. It is only what you make of it. Nothing more, nothing less. Your Creator gives you creative control to make it whatever you want it to be. So dream big. Make it as vast as you could make it.
Well, I've been losing sleep as my mind sinks to the deep and my burning out.
I could stand here and pretend that I knew from day one we were gonna get married, but that wouldn't be entirely true. But today, I stand here and make the easiest decision of my life.
Stop now, lie down, lay down in my arms when you're weak, and I'll make you strong.
I've always thought about this day, and when the time would come, when your mom wouldn't be here for all of our special moments like today.
Jason and I and my siblings wouldn't be who we are today if it wasn't for our parents. I wish my mom was here with us to witness such a beautiful unity. And Jason, I'm sure if mom were here, she would be so proud of the man you've become. And Dad, thank you for all your sacrifices and setting such a good example of what it means to be a man, a provider, and an amazing husband for Jason.
Surrounded by people giving life.
I don't know what my future looks like, but I know it includes you. The best version of me is with you in my life.
No more losing sleep as you pull me out the deep.
Today, I vow to love you without condition, to honor you each and every day, to laugh with you when you're happy, and to support you when you're sad, to challenge you to be a better person, and allow you to do the same for me.
I promise to love you with my full effort. I promise to listen to you when you don't feel heard. I promise to be your strength when you feel weak. You will never have to doubt my love for you. I vow to love you forever. As long as I'm here, you will never have to do life alone.
Start now, lie down, lay down in my arms when you're weak, and I'll make you strong.
I love you.
Shut your mind up, listen to my voice in your head, and I'll keep you strong. Oh, I'll give you songs, and I'll give you songs.
Jen, you look absolutely stunning today. You're so gorgeous. And it's such a privilege to have you as my sister-in-law, but being my sister-in-law is the only gift you need. I'm excited not to only have you officially join the Gilman Young family, but you've also taken a responsibility for my brother. I hope you read all the fine print because it's a no return policy. So for my final piece of utterly unqualified advice to you both, simply enjoy life together. Love each other every day, not only on the good days, but be each other's strength, especially on the bad days.
We want to thank Jason because he accepted our daughter as now his wife. So we welcome Jason to our family as a son-in-law now.
Jason, you're so lucky to have found your soulmate. And Jen, you're so lucky to have found someone that makes your heart smile every day.
Maybe it's not easy for him because, like he says, my daughter, it's a little bit difficult. She's a nice girl and I love her so much, but she's learning.